Good afternoon. Thank you for coming to my open house here today, 2535 Powell Circle. It's a beautiful day in Prescott, Arizona. We've got a great 3-car garage, RV parking, and on the other side of that roof is the reason they have a negative electric bill. Wouldn't you love to have a house with a negative electric bill? Look at the view, and we have the best walkability score you could get here. No Homeowners Association, and we are just minutes to medical, shopping, schools, and everything. Look at this nice security door as we go in. There's 3 of these security doors on the house for great ventilation. And here we are. Welcome. We've got over 2,100 square feet of single level living. Nice fireplace. Beautiful views from the living room. Fireplace, dining room, and kitchen, so you're not separated from your company ever. You can talk to your company out on that patio. You've got views from the dining room. Great kitchen with granite countertops, gas stove, pull-outs, which we always want. That's good for your knees. Nice appliances, and a wonderful pantry. Look at that. Plenty of room for whatever you need. The master is located right here off the dining room, and it has great views. She has large furniture, and you don't feel crowded in this room. It's great. Nice granite counters, beautiful shower. Storage, and then we have closet. Now on you see how open you've got the whole house in sight here. Over here we've got a nice full bath with a tub. Perfect for your guests in this next room. This room holds a queen size bed and could probably easily hold a king. Of course, this house, the bonus on this house is the amount of storage it has. Now the laundry room is off the kitchen, and one of the good treats is the size of this garage. This garage fits a full-size truck with no problem, and it's a 3-car garage. Lots of nice cabinets, so you wouldn't want to miss out on this. Now we'll go to the office, which is big enough for 2 people. And this office does have a closet, so it can be a 3rd bedroom. Nice, beautiful floors. So that is the main level living. Now for the bonus. We'll go downstairs, which is not included in the square footage. So this is all extra. Down here we have 9.5-foot ceilings. And we've got room for the best man cave, storage, hobbies, whatever you want. It's wonderful. This is all extra square feet, not included in the square footage of the house. It's not included in the square footage of the house only because it's not heated. It stays in even about 55 all year. If you wanted to put heat, they've had a little heater in here, but they've never needed air conditioning, and it's not really ever cold down here. The 9.5-foot ceilings are great. The walls are finished. The ceiling is finished. We've got nice work areas. And this is a great exercise room. And again, if you need a house with storage, it doesn't get better than this. This is all cabinetry. Now, I'm going to go outside down here, and there's another patio. I'll show you just a quick peek.